Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to replace a wheel speed sensor, a step-by-step guide. Ever noticed your car's ABS light turning on? That could be a warning sign of a faulty wheel speed sensor. This tiny but crucial component plays a big role in your vehicle's anti-lock braking system, helping to prevent skidding and maintain control during sudden stops. Without it, you might find yourself in dangerous driving situations. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing a damaged wheel speed sensor. It's easier than you might think, and you don't need to be a professional mechanic to get the job done. We'll cover everything from identifying the problem to the tools you'll need and the step-by-step instructions for a smooth replacement. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your car's braking system in top shape. Understanding wheel speed sensors. In modern vehicles, wheel speed sensors are essential components that ensure the safety and performance of the car's ABS and traction control systems. They measure the speed of each wheel, allowing the car to make crucial adjustments while driving. If you've ever wondered how your car manages to stop so smoothly or maintain grip on slippery roads, wheel speed sensors play a key role. Let's look closer at what they do, the types available, and signs that yours might be faulty. What is a wheel speed sensor? A wheel speed sensor, also known as an ABS sensor, is a device used in vehicles to monitor the rotational speed of each wheel. It sends this information to the car's anti-lock braking system, ABS, and traction control system. When you brake, the ABS system uses data from the wheel speed sensors to prevent the wheels from locking up. This helps maintain steering control and avoid skidding. Similarly, the traction control system uses this data to prevent wheel spin during acceleration, especially on slippery surfaces. Types of wheel speed sensors. There are two main types of wheel speed sensors, active and passive sensors. 1. Active sensors. How they work. Active sensors require an external power source to operate. They produce a digital signal in the form of a square wave, which can provide more accurate and reliable readings. Advantages. These sensors work well at low speeds and are less affected by electromagnetic interference. 2. Passive sensors. How they work. Passive sensors generate an alternating current, AC, signal without needing an external power source. They rely on the movement of a toothed wheel or a tone ring. Advantages. While simpler in design and generally more durable, passive sensors can struggle to provide accurate readings at low speeds. Common symptoms of a faulty wheel speed sensor. A faulty wheel speed sensor can lead to several noticeable problems with your vehicle. Here are some common symptoms to watch out for. ABS warning light. When the sensor is damaged or malfunctioning, the ABS light on your dashboard may illuminate. This warning light indicates that the ABS system isn't receiving proper data and may not function correctly. Traction control issues. A faulty sensor can cause the traction control system to behave erratically. You might notice the traction control light turning on and off unexpectedly while driving. Unusual braking behavior. If the wheel speed sensor isn't working, you may experience changes in braking performance. This can include the brakes locking up more easily or the ABS kicking in when it shouldn't. Being aware of these symptoms can help you catch problems early, ensuring your vehicle remains safe to drive. In the upcoming sections, we'll dive into how to replace a faulty wheel speed sensor and keep your car's braking system in top condition. Stay tuned. Diagnosing a faulty wheel speed sensor. Diagnosing a faulty wheel speed sensor is the first step in ensuring your vehicle's braking system works correctly. A malfunctioning sensor can compromise the effectiveness of your ABS and traction control, leading to dangerous driving conditions. Here's how you can figure out if your wheel speed sensor is acting up and what you can do about it. Using an OBD2 scanner. An OBD2 scanner is a great tool for identifying problems with your wheel speed sensor. It connects to your car's onboard computer and reads error codes that indicate specific issues. Here's a simple guide on how to use it. 1. Locate the OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. 2. Plug in the scanner. Connect the OBD2 scanner to the port. You might have to turn on your car's ignition without starting the engine. 3. Read the codes. Follow the instructions on your scanner to read the error codes. Look for codes related to the ABS or wheel speed sensor, such as C0040, right front wheel speed sensor, or C0041, left front wheel speed sensor. By pinpointing the error codes, you can identify if the wheel speed sensor is at fault and which one needs attention. Visual inspection. Sometimes, you don't need fancy tools to check if your wheel speed sensor is defective. A simple visual inspection can reveal obvious issues like physical damage or disconnected wires. Here's how to do it. 1. Lift the car. Use a jack to safely lift the side of the car where you suspect the sensor issue. 2. Locate the sensor. The wheel speed sensor is usually near the brake rotor. Refer to your vehicle's manual if you're having trouble finding it. 3. Check for damage, cracks or breaks. Look for any visible cracks or breaks on the sensor itself. Loose or damaged wiring. Inspect the wiring connected to the sensor. Sometimes, wires can become loose, frayed, or damaged by road debris. Clean the sensor. Dirt and grime can sometimes interfere with the sensor's performance. Use a clean cloth to gently wipe away any debris. By combining these diagnostic methods, you can get a clear idea of whether your wheel speed sensor is causing issues. Once confirmed, you can move on to replacing the faulty sensor, ensuring your vehicle remains safe and reliable. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Replacing a wheel speed sensor might sound like a daunting task, but with the right tools and materials, you'll be able to tackle it with confidence. Let's break down what you'll need to get started. Essential tools. Before diving into the replacement process, make sure you have the following essential tools on hand. These will help you complete the job effectively and safely. Jack and jack stands. These are crucial for lifting and securely supporting your vehicle while you work underneath it. Always ensure you are working on a flat, stable surface to prevent accidents. Socket set. A good socket set is indispensable. It will help you remove the wheel and any bolts that hold the sensor in place. Make sure you have a variety of sizes to fit different bolt heads. OBD2 scanner. An OBD2 scanner is important for diagnosing the issue and verifying that the replacement sensor works correctly. It reads error codes from your vehicle's computer, helping you pinpoint the faulty sensor. In addition to these tools, having some safety gear like gloves and safety glasses can protect you while you work. Replacement parts. Sourcing the correct wheel speed sensor for your specific vehicle model is crucial. Here's how to ensure you get the right part. 1. Consult your vehicle manual. Your vehicle's manual often provides details about the type and specifications of the wheel speed sensor needed. 2. Check online sources. Websites like RockAuto or AutoZone allow you to enter your vehicle's make, model, and year to find the accurate parts. Make sure to read reviews and check compatibility notes. 3. Visit a local auto parts store. If you're unsure, visiting a local auto parts store can be helpful. Bring your vehicle's information, and a store associate can usually assist you in finding the right sensor. Using the correct replacement parts ensures that your vehicle's ABS and traction control systems will function as intended. With the right tools and materials, you're well on your way to successfully replacing your wheel speed sensor. Stay tuned for the step-by-step instructions on how to do it. And that's a wrap for part 1 of our wheel speed sensor replacement guide. In the next video, we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of removing and installing the sensor itself. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.